Oh, this is the part 2
and
of
Maddie
video.
are
Continuing na
adventure.
making the snowman.
Yeah.
Snowman and snowball.
Yep, that's right.
And what you digging the snow?
I'm trying to make this snowman the best snowman that was ever built. I'm trying to...
Nothing. Put it over here.
Okay. Unloaded snow. Here it goes.
They don't really make more. It's hard to make more.
I know. Who made the idea of being a... Whoever made the idea of a snowman?
I don't know. Frosty.
Frosty? Yeah, but he's the best snowman ever built. I don't think we're gonna beat them.
Hey.
Karen makes the best snowman ever.
This snow is 12 feet.
Snow is 12 inches.
Is this 12 feet lang ka?
No, not feet, inches.
Oh, inches. 12 inches.
Yeah.
Tugnaw na ko oy. Nangurog na akong kamot.
Here, the empty lot of grass is your new snow station. Whoa. Whoa.
Tago. Don't hide.
Hey, you're gonna get the camera wet, and then it's gonna shut down forever, just like mine.
Come on.
That's your new snow.
I'll go inside now.
No.
I'm very tired. I'm very cold.
Okay.
See, you throw it away. Enough.
But
Wow.
that's a fat snow.
Plowing.
No, the flower doesn't come in here.
Catch.
Oh.
That's mountain.
That's mountain, Mount
That's
Apo.
mountain.
Look like Mount Apo gang. Or Mayon Volcano.
No! It's never gonna be a snowman. I'm not a genius. I'm gonna tear this snowman down.
No. Because that is a snowball
It's...
with snowman.
But how else these cartoons make good snowmen and we don't?
Okay, hop on the snow. Hop.
I can't.
Force it. Force it. No. Lay down on it.
I'm gonna break it.
Yeah, break it.
No.
Like this. Jump on it.
Don't
Jump
break
on
it.
it. You just jump.
I can't.
Like this, oh. Like this, oh. Ow. See?
Good thing it wasn't ice.
Now it's gonna turn into ice.
Good thing it was just snow.